Shivam Patel. Now today discuss about the diaphragm muscle. This is diaphragm muscle. Origin of diaphragm: 3. Costal, vertebral and sternum. This is costal, lower 6 costal cartilage. Second is a 3 upper 3 lumbar vertebra and right and left cross plus arcuate ligament. And third is a sternum, is a stiffy process of sternum. Now the insertion is a central tendon of the insertion. Diaphragm is a separate from upper thoracic and lower is abdomen and behind vertebral cavity. Diaphragm muscle is the most important muscle for inhalation. Give deep breath. Diaphragm contract, intrathoracic cavity increase, more oxygen provided to lung. And another is a non-respiratory function for feces and urine. Intra-abdominal pressure increase from the body. Second, directly connect to the psoas muscle. And this part is a very important for GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Is a 3 opening part in the diaphragm. The caval hiatus, esophageal and aortic. The most important in the blood circulation and lymph circulation. Esophageal hiatus part, the diaphragm is a main role for acid reflux do not pass into esophagus. This will provide more pressure, excessive pressure in esophageal hiatus. Diaphragm is functionally and anatomically both important in every physiotherapist for our assessment. Many fracture of the upper cervical region and spinal cord injury, the nerve supply for C3, C4, C5, the phrenic nerve. Now, how to facilitate the diaphragm? This is a PNM. This part lower rib. This is epigastrix, and to give upward pressure and laterally thumb and finger during end of exhalation and during inhalation to opposite direction downward and stretch. Patient asks to deep breathe. This is a direct facilitation of diaphragm. And another way, indirect, over the abdomen. Patient give deep breath and pressure abdomen gentle upward. This is indirect facilitation of diaphragm. Another way, IST, instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization. One part, the and give. This is manual. This. Now, iliopsoas and quadriceps lumborum. Most important for diaphragm. This diaphragm shows quadriceps lumborum, merging shows fascia, diaphragm and quadriceps lumborum. Diaphragm during back pain, diaphragm is a dysfunction may cause back pain. This because overwork of diaphragm, improper breathing. Diaphragm is more act and under act of the quadriceps, quadratus lumborum and psoas major, quadriceps lumborum and psoas major. First, how can you release? First, posterior of the diaphragm. Release. Up and down, up and down, and side to side, side to side. First posterior diaphragm release and activate psoas and iliacus help in low back pain relief. Another way, this part. Up and down, up and down, and side to side, side to side. This part, side to side. Then lateral. Up, up and down. This up and down, up and down. And posterior, prone line, up and down. Now the stretching of quadriceps lumborum with diaphragm. Why? Most important, walking in patient during after surgery and NACT patient, because helping breathing during walking directly connected. The first flexion of the hip muscle of the iliacus and psoas both contract flex indirectly to contract diaphragm and more oxygen to provide. Now respiration useful, diaphragm muscle contract, diaphragm flat lung and more oxygen to give. Now the diaphragm breathing, the diaphragmatic breathing, first of all shoulder, how can you release? Full release, release, release. Pectoral, side to side bending, full upper body and trunk are mobilized, and hand is epigastric. First, deep breath and hold. Another is a counting breath. And last, this is a manual evaluation of diaphragm. It is very important. The 7 component is coastal movement, anterior coastal margin, third is the diaphragmatic dome, fourth is the posterolateral area, 5 the xiphoid coastal area, 6 medial pillar, and 7 is both lateral pillar, right and left. Now the grade of first is a no restriction of movement, second is a slight restriction of movement, third is a medium restriction of movement, fourth strong restriction movement, and 5 is a no movement. Suppose right and left. The left is any injury or dysfunction, then right. Walks, the right side is a 4-4 and left is a 2-2-2. They are very important for diaphragm assessment because these 7 components directly connected to origin of and insertion of this muscle. Diaphragm is a functionally and physiologically both are very important. Every physiotherapist and other therapists. Thank you, and please one time watch for this video.